In this video, I am going to tell you how you can create Power BI dashboard. This video is for beginners. So first of all, you need to open Power BI in your system. So you can install this Power BI desktop from Microsoft Store. I have already created a video on this. You can find it in my channel. So install Power BI. It is free of cost, this Power BI desktop. So I will install one Excel file. I have created this sample Excel file. Let me open this sample Excel file. So let me open this Excel file. This is simple Excel file: date, product, category, region, quantity, pricing in all, total sales. So let me upload this Excel file. So let me go to the now blank report. I will start from the scratch and from the beginning. So it is for the beginners, and everybody can understand this. It is very so I will explain the easiest method in this. After that, after opening this, you need to click on get data. On from here you need to click on Excel workbook. Now you can select this Excel file. Till the time it uploads, I will just explain how Power BI looks like. So in left hand side you can see these four are showing. It will come up now. In right hand side you can see filters, visualization, and data is showing. So these are some options which I will show you now how it works. So now I need to click on this, tap on this, check this mark, and click on load. So in the left hand panel you can see report view, table view, and this model view, and DX query view. So first go to table view. This my Excel file is now uploaded here. You can see expand from data here. So now I need to go to this report view, first one. This is the dashboard. You can see this is a dashboard. So I will make this dashboard. How I make it? So there are in visualization there are some options like build visuals. So I will select them. So I will select first of all these are the pie chart and donut chart. So let me add pie chart here first. So this is pie chart is now added. So you can select these other filters and colors. Everything is showing here. You can drag and drop anywhere. So now go to data and in sheets expand it. So what I need to add in pie chart, let me add product first. Just click on this, or you can drag and drop it. If you select this, it will automatically be added because it is selected now. And after that you can see data is product is now added, and now you can add quantity. So quantity is now also added, or total sales you can also add. And this is the pie chart is created now. You can increase the size and see. So you can make it like this, place it somewhere here, and you can add a map as well. Just tap on map, click here somewhere and add a map. This is a map. This you should have region. So let me add a product in map and region. So this is a map which is created now. I've added some locations as well in the map. So this map is looking beautiful. Just let me know. I have created a video on this as well. So let's put map here at the left hand side. Now you can add this funnel as well. You can add here, and you can add data in this. So I have added some items like this. So it has created a funnel for me. So you can add other things as well. There are so many things like script you can add other things as well. You can specifically add any one of them, like category, date, and products. You can add, simply drag and drop them here. You can add them like this, products. You can change their layout as well if you want. Total sales you can add here. You can add product here, right hand side, and you can do other changes as well. Even you can change the background of this place. So it is very useful. And so let me add some heading as well. You need to click on this insert option. In the top you can see top right hand side bar, and you can add a text box. In herein you can type your heading. So you can make it little larger heading. You can increase the size. So you will become familiar while working on this. For beginners it takes some time. You will definitely become better and better the time you work on this. And you can do further modification like changing colors and changing background. I will create a specific video on this. So this is the normal this is the desktop view, and this is the mobile view. So this is a normal desktop view and mobile view. So I hope friends you will be able to make this dashboard here in Power BI. It is very simple. So you can also change the theme. You can go to view and you can change the theme from here, because themes are very important. You can change the theme from here. You can select any of the theme as per you want. So it is now looking good, better. You can change the theme. Yeah, it is also looking good. So make sure to use this theme option as well, and make your dashboard and report attractive. And further things I will explain in my other videos, how to work on other things. So let me increase it. So it is looking a normal sales data report, or you can say it is looking normally. So I hope friends, now you will be able to create it, and connect with me, subscribe my channel to find such type of other videos. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.